Hi, I'm Sue Walker, and I'm going to show you a recipe for sugar-free peanut butter cookies. First of all, we'll be using Splenda instead of sugar, and we'll use a ratio of 1 to 1. You will also need to use a brown sugar substitute. There are a couple ways you can do this. You can buy the brown sugar twin in your grocery store, or you can make your own substitute. I will be making my own brown sugar substitute. For each cup of brown sugar, you take 1 cup of Splenda and mix in 1/4 cup of sugar-free maple syrup. Your cookie will be a little denser using this substitute. The ingredients are 1 cup of butter softened, 1 cup of natural creamy peanut butter, 1 cup of Splenda, 1 cup of brown sugar substitute, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 2 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Okay, first we're going to cream together the butter, the creamy peanut butter, the Splenda, the brown sugar substitute, the 2 eggs, and the 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Now we'll mix the dry ingredients together and add that to our batter. Take a spoonful of your dough and roll it into a ball and place on your cookie sheet. Using a fork, press down on the ball of dough, and then repeat that, making a crisscross pattern. Now we're ready to bake. Bake at 350 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes. And that is a recipe for sugar-free peanut butter cookies.